4. So we've moved points. Now I'm going to give you the coordinates of the new point and say, and the original function, and say, what did we do to get there? Okay. So we're starting with y is equal to root x. What translation am I applying to that, i.e. what h value, k value, so that that graph goes through this point? Okay. Now they're just limiting it to a vertical translation. So is that an h or a k? That's a k value. If I don't say anything about a horizontal, so we're trying to find k, that means my h is 0. You don't need to worry about it. So our equation, our general equation is this. So if h is 0, basically we're just now what's f of x? It's the square root of x because they've told us what the function is. So this becomes root x plus k, i.e. what up down have I done to the absolute value of x so that it goes through the points 16 and 7? Okay. Anybody have an idea what I should do now? Dante?
9.
No. That wasn't my question, but that's not the answer. Anybody have an idea of what I should do now?
Well, then you gotta get 16 and 7 somehow.
Yeah, so what am I going to do? Sorry? You put them in the equation. You know which one's x, which one's y? X and y, right? That's the proper mathematical terminology, but it's the same thing that Hunter said. But thank you for putting in mathematical terms. You were first, though, Hunter. Okay, so 7 is equal to root 16 plus k. What's the square root of 16?
4.
Guys, what's k? K is 3. So what does that mean? There you go.
I mean,
You went 3 up. You're not wrong, Dante. You're just answering a different question. Okay, that's all you do. If I give you a point, I say you've done a vertical or horizontal. You plug it into the equation. You solve for your unknown. So the next one, horizontal translation. So what am I trying to solve for? H. That's what I want to know. My k is 0 because I haven't said that. So what am I going to write here? Close. So we're trying to figure out h, right? Whatever's in brackets goes in for x. So my equation is that. Y is equal to root x minus h. Okay, I know my x and y values. X is 17, y is 8. So I get 8 is equal to the root 17 minus h. How do I solve this?
well, h has to be smaller than 17, right?
That is true. But how do I solve this equation?
You square root both sides.
Square both sides. So I get 64 is equal to 17 minus h. So h is equal to 17 minus 64, which is negative 47. Which means what? What did I do? Sorry? 47 units left. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay? Figure out if you're trying to solve for h or k, plug it into the equation, dump in your x and y values, algebra it to get your unknown.
Why did you put negative h?
Why did I put negative h?
Yeah.
Oh, because of this. I don't know what h is, and the formula is x minus h. So then I take that and I plug it in there. Okay? Once you know this, the actual equation would be this. F of x plus 47, and then, yeah, okay? Yep. You don't know it's moving to the left. Oh, because of this negative. If it's negative h, it goes left. If it's positive h, it goes right. You're thinking of this. Don't think of that, right? It's what makes the inside of that 0 is your h value. Okay?
What if the graph passes through the same point from the left?
All right, think about that. Hang on. Here's your questions 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please. Now I got to think about what you said.